Okay, today we're with Anna. We are going to do sort of a Hollywood glamour, old vintage style shooting. Now, normally with this type of lighting setup, back in the day, they used Fresnel lights. Fresnel lights are basically your spotlights, the spotlights that they use. This very harsh lighting. I am going to be using lights with grid, so it will be a little harsh. The biggest thing, now sometimes I will use softboxes. The biggest thing with this type of lighting style is the shadows that it threw. So over here we've got some flower arrangements there. We've got this. I've got a light pointing directly at this to throw shadows, and then sort of a spotlight for Anna. So let's take a look at what we've got. This light is set at 4, so it's fairly dim. This light is the main light for the model. It's set as 6. So let's take a few shots, see what we got. Okay, let's have you kind of leaning a little more towards there and look this direction. There we go. And let's see what we've got. Oh yeah, I love the shadows. The shadows look amazing. Now I'm going to get a little more of the background in here. Beautiful. That way you can kind of see the shadows a little better there. Okay, let's get this angle here. I love it. Very nice. Excellent. I love it. Beautiful. Let's see what we're getting here. Cameron's having a hard time keeping up with me. Oh yeah, that's nice.
I like that one.
Yeah, this one is the last one that hasn't come through yet.
That's cute. I like
there
it.
we go.
Yeah,
there we go. There
very
it comes. Okay, I'm gonna take a few shots from this direction.
Okay.
So maybe lean towards me over
Should I
here.
face this way or still face that way?
Yeah, still face that way. Maybe put
Okay.
your legs up. There we go.
Okay.
There we go. Ah, yeah, I love it. Make sure we still got the spotlight on the face. Okay, and this gives more dramatic shadows over there, so that's nice. I'm gonna change this just a little bit. Okay. And right there's perfect. Ah, yeah, there we go. Very nice. I love the dramatic shadows on your body and the wall. Very nice. A few more shots. Excellent. Okay, super. So that is how you get the old Hollywood glamour style or vintage style. So get that shot. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And below, I'm going to put Anna's links for social media there. Make sure to follow her on her social media. We'll see you next week.